Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check this out. I got this. It's a UB size, and this is going to be a tripod. So let's open this up and check this out and see how it compares to some other ones. So, here we go. Oh, I guess this is just the box with everything. Oops, everything fell. So let's see what we get here. So this is everything out of the box. Sorry, I'm just holding it today because I don't have a table. But I see the box is empty. Actually, is there something in there? Nope, empty. Okay, so let's check it out. We'll start from the bottom here. And here we go. Think we can open it. So this is the tripod. So it's a pretty decent size tripod, but I guess we'll loosen it here. And then we can open it up, and there we go. Now we've got a decent sized tripod, and we can tighten it up here, so that'll be there. And I guess, there we go. Now it's tightened, and then we can, it's cool because it has this, so it can extend up really long. So now we have a really long tripod, so I'm guessing this is probably 4 feet tall. So I'll leave this right here right now, and now let's check the other pieces and parts that it comes with. So it comes with this here, which will connect up to your phone, and you can see it's pretty stretchy, so you could probably fit one of the Max iPhones or just a regular small one. Even probably an iPod would fit in there too. So that's kind of nice. And then we have here is I don't know, I call this like the knuckle piece. So you'll see we have to put this on here first. So we screw this on. You can just see right here, I'm just screwing it on. There we go. And then we have this little thing here, which makes it tilt and turn and whatnot. And then we can screw this onto here. So, and that's where we would just put our phone. So like right now, I just have it sitting on a counter, so I could just put it on here. So how cool is that? Super convenient, super easy. And then what I can do here is I can close this up. Do I have to loosen it up here? Here, let me put it down and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So there, now it's all the way down again. And then we can, let's see, how do we, oops, there we go. We can put it up like this, and then we can use it as a selfie stick as well. So kind of cool. It's got dual usage here. I think it might even come out of there to use as it, but there we go. It's a selfie stick, reusable, and it's got the tilt and everything like that. So you can tilt this, so you could be like, hey, check me out. Or you can use it as a tripod. So pretty cool. Comes full featured. So I like it. This is by UB size. And pick one up. Thumbs up for me. I'm going to put a link to it in my description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.